Thank God it's Friday. This is week 7. We are doing Italian. So today what we are going to do is roast Cornish hens. We'll stuff these with ricotta, and to the ricotta we'll add pesto. So this is basil pesto, and also some parsley. This is chopped parsley. Some salt. And some pepper. And we'll mix this. So let's taste it. Needs a little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. And then I have a piping bag here that I'll fill, and then I'll fill the cavity. So what I've done is I've removed the skin and created a cavity between the skin and the flesh. So, and then what we'll do is we'll stuff it and then we'll roast it. What I've done with this, and you can see this came torn, the skin, which is going to be a little difficult to stuff, but we'll stuff the rest. So I loosen the skin here for both, and then we're going to trim some of this excess fat off because otherwise it will burn. So just a little bit here, maybe from the bottom here a little bit. And then make sure that it's loose so that we can stuff it. And if the membrane is too tough, just cut it a little bit to loosen that. So you can see that there's a pocket here. Then there's a pocket here, and then this one. This is pretty good. And then this one. So again, be careful with this because this is already torn. You don't want to tear it more. Okay, so that looks pretty good here. Again, trim off the excess fat. So this looks pretty good. So we can go ahead and start stuffing. So I want to snip this off. And then take one bird at a time, push it in, and then stuff it. So we'll have to cover this up a little bit so that this sticks. And then let's do this one here. So move it around with your fingers as you are stuffing so that it goes to all the corners of the bird. And we can always come back and put some more here. So now let's look at this and spread it around. So this looks pretty good. This is evenly, so maybe here a little bit more. We stuffed the birds. We're just going to tie the legs. I tied the legs of the birds, and then this is melted butter, garlic, salt and pepper, and then we're going to baste the bird with this, and then we'll keep doing that every 20 minutes. We'll cook this for about an hour. So baste it really well. So that's it for now, and then we'll cook this for an hour in a 400-degree oven. I just took the birds out of the oven, so we'll let it rest for about 10 minutes and then we'll carve it. Plated, what I'd like to do is cut this in half, right at the bottom, in the center. And then you can cut it on the side of the backbone. And then these are all the drippings from the chicken. That's it. That's the Cornish hen stuffed with ricotta cheese and baked. This is a simple recipe, a simple dish. Children will like this with the ricotta and the filling, the pesto, the herbs, the butter, and it's luxurious. Please do try it. So that's it for Friday, folks. Thank you for joining. Have a great weekend. Bon appetit and good night.